Today on Hair Does Air, we are looking for air leaks. When checking for leaks, we recommend soapy water or Windex. Your first step would be to pressurize the system. Once the system is pressurized, go ahead and check your bag for any scuffs or visual damages. If none are found, go ahead and check your airlines and follow them. Go ahead and follow your airlines, search for any scuffs, kinks, or any markings that may contribute to any air leaks. Once a visual mark is found, go ahead and grab soapy water or Windex, spray down the line, and look for the leaks. Here we have a slight slit, which is leaking out all your air. If you find a defect on your airline and you have extra slack on your system, feel free to cut the hairline with a fresh blade as straight as possible and a clean cut. Once line has been cut, reinstall a line onto your airbag system. Pressurize to ensure there's no more leaks. If a kink is found, be sure to double check it since they do tend to puncture in the line. Once all your airlines are checked out okay, you would then move on to testing out all threaded fittings on your air system. If an air leak is found on your threaded air fittings, remove the fitting itself from the bag. Clean up the threads as much as possible. You could either use Loctite, or we recommend Loctite 565 to create a better seal. Once it's done, reinstall. Once you've installed your freshly cut air lines and resealed your air fittings, pressurize the system and spray down any areas to test out for leaks. Thanks for watching this video on Hair Does Air. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.